Welcome back to Runman Records Design. Today we show you small backyard landscaping ideas, best landscape and garden design ideas. In this video we will explore a variety of small backyard landscaping ideas that focus on maximizing space, incorporating greenery and enhancing the overall aesthetic of your outdoor area. From strategic planting techniques to clever design tricks, we'll provide inspiration and guidance to help you make the most of your limited backyard space. Maximizing space in a small backyard. Small backyard, big potential. When space is limited, strategic planning is key. Here, how to make the most of every inch. Utilizing strategic planting techniques. Plant smart by choosing compact varieties and arranging them to create depth and interest. Optimizing pathways and walkways. Curved paths and stepping stones can visually expand your backyard while adding charm. Incorporating space-saving features like built-in seating. Multifunctional seating not only saves space, but also gives you a cozy spot to relax and enjoy your mini oasis. Creative planting strategies for small spaces. Think vertical, think outside the pot. Get imaginative with your greenery to bring your small backyard to life. Vertical gardening ideas. Elevate your garden with vertical planters or trellises for a stunning green display that saves horizontal space. Container gardening tips. Pots and containers are your BFF in small yard. Mix and match sizes and shapes for a dynamic look. Mixing textures and heights for visual impact. Play with different plant heights and textures to create a lush and visually interesting landscape. It's not about size, it's about how you use it. Make your small backyard work for you with his layout tips. Zoning different areas for various functions. Designate zones for dining, lounging, and gardening to maximize every corner of your outdoor space. Creating defined outdoor living spaces. Define your outdoor living room with racks, furniture, and lighting to make it feel cozy and welcoming. Balancing open areas with greenery. Don't overcrowd. Balance open spaces with greenery to create a harmonious and inviting backyard retreat. Incorporating vertical gardens and trellises. Raise the roof with greenery. Look up and discover the potential of vertical gardening in your small backyard. Utilizing wall space for vertical planting. Hang planters on walls or fences to add a touch of nature without encroaching on precious ground space. Installing trellises for climbing plants. Let vines climb to new heights on trellises, adding a touch of whimsy and greenery to your small backyard. Adding privacy screens with vertical gardens. Create a privacy and a lush backdrop by incorporating vertical gardens as living screens, your own little green oasis. Thanks for watching, friends. I hope you find these small backyard ideas very useful. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Have a nice day and evening, everyone. You watched the Design and Decor channel, Runman Records Design.